Not spinning very good.
सर इनको 10 मिनट नहीं हमारे पास तो ये जो पिच के साथ है
If the pitch speed is palpable, not
बस ये परकस
percussion nodes are done. So, what will be your final equation? Positive or negative? The palpable spin is but the spin is large or not? Not really. Everyone is agree with the note. It is enlarged, but that is called incipient spleen. You should know that's incipient spleen. Okay? So, by minutes of kidney. How you
पेट the kidney.
push from the lower from the down side from the and palpate with other right hand. Okay. Same repeat. Push and palpate. Back side.
Push.
This is called bimanual palpation. If the kidney is palpable, its other term is pilotable. It's pilotable, it's palpable. It means there is palpable. That is pushing it. It's not palpable. That is bimanual. It's called bimanual palpation. You can use the term pilotable after दोनों यूज उसके बाद जो है फिर हम कहते हैं पैडल जो स्पेसिफिसिटी सिस्टम है वो परकशन हो जाता है पल्पेबल ज़्यादा नहीं है पल्पेशन by palpating it is better. The budget is like this why it's the same way you palpate the uterus. So
Yes, sir.
You go from the digestion down.
Yes, sir.
This way you, whenever you get gestation, that will be better. These are up to this level. You finish the palpation, step of palpation. No percussion. The percussion is abdominal examination. It is detection of ascites. Detection of ascites. For detection of ascites, you do two tests. What is the name of it? Dulles and shifted Dulles. Shifted Dulles and shifted. How you will perform the shifted Dulles? Most of the students, they start like this. Most of the students. What they are doing, I don't know what they are doing. What they are doing. It's wrong way. Always start from above down. It should be at the right, at the 90 degree, not parallel. From above. Suppose you get dull percussion notes over here. It means it is greater. So from above that point you will start. And you will start from mid of the body.
Yes.
You start like this, go down. Suppose the patient has got a site is a fluid, it will shift to flame. While patient lying supine, the fluid will shift to the flame. So if it is percussion notes are they are resonant at the bed, they will be dull at the flame. Clear? And you can go on another way. If suppose you get dull over here in examination, remember that if you got resonant even in the flame, no need to turn the patient. डल है ही नहीं फ्लूइड है नहीं क्या दे शिफ्ट क्या दे शिफ्टिंग फ्लूइड क्या दोगे ना मगर फॉर सेक ऑफ लर्निंग ऑफ फॉर सेक ऑफ टीचिंग ऑफ फॉर सेक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस यू कैन बट इन एग्जामिनेशन पीजी लेवल पे आप किस पे स्टक करते हैं क्योंकि फ्लूइड है ही नहीं है तो आप शिफ्ट क्यों करते हैं व्हाई यू आर मिसिंग इसमें बोल थोड़ा सा wait for 15 seconds. ठीक है? Wait for 15 seconds again. Suppose it's done it in initially, and now while turning the patient, it's become resonant. It means it will shift to the middle. This will be positive side. What is that called? Shifted dulness.
Shifting.
That's shifted. That's just for side here. बस थोड़ा सा हो जाए. Now, fluid, the fluid is so huge, then you can palpate on one hand, tape with other hand. And ideally there should be barrier between the two hands. You can take help of the tendon, you can take help of the patient. Ideally, palpate and tape. If you feel waves on other hand palm, it means there is some fluid which is palpating your hand. That's called. These two tests are performed for detection of disease. And then you just palpate the hernial orifices and all the patient to cuff. You cuff and you just put your finger on the hernial orifices. And if there's any hernia, it will punch out. This is test for hernia. And then come to the auscultation. Last step is auscultation. Ideally, we auscultate bowel sounds. It should be left to the umbilicus, below the umbilicus. Umbilicus, left, below. ठीक है. And other is splenic bleed, hepatic hum, hepatic bleed. And renal bruit over here. Our abdominal aortic bruit is over here. Bend and right or left. Repeat it. Abdominal में हमने क्या देखना है? Bowel sound देखना है. स्प्लीन ब्रूई देखना है, रीनल ब्रूई देखना है, हेपेटिक हम देखना है, हेपेटिक ब्रूई देखना है, वो आयोटिक. तो आयोटिक जो आइडियली बॉल साउंड हम सुनते हैं, अम्बलाइकस को लेफ्ट टू डाउन 2 सेंटीमीटर 2.5 सेंटीमीटर बिलो द अम्बलाइकस. ठीक है. And of course, renal bruit, we hear lumbar region, renal bruit. Spleen bruit, we put the stethoscope on renal spleen, large spleen पे आप रखोगे, where is large. और hepatic hum आप देखते हो एपिगैस्ट्रियम में, hepatic bruit आप देखते हो hepatic enlargement के तरह करें. Same with repeat with aortic. Aorta में midline. Right or left to the midline. ठीक है. इस आपने aortic bruit के लिए देखना है. This is auscultation. Normal bowel sound कितने होते हैं per minute?
5
Per minute.
So this is important. So this is how to examine abdomen. This is the QT examination. Half of it. Is it clear? Any question?
सर हमें इंस्पेक्शन
नहीं, आप क्यों करते हो?
सर आपने इंस्पेक्शन
मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए ये स्कार है. Ask each and everything which you have doubt. There is no shame. Shame to know the father and the fellow. Shame to this of school. शर्म हो जाओ. जितने शर्म हो गए